listen, you guys can contact us. We're willing to talk. We're willing to answer questions. We're going to go to Oregon and help a company learn how to use roller screeds and vibrating screeds and
Screed chairs.
Screed chairs. We're going to go down to California. There's a couple companies down there we're going to work with. So I'm not saying we want to come and work with everybody, but we're just saying we're going to video this. We're going to try to get more info, more how to and results. We want to show results, how you can change your business, save employees, maybe do more work with less labor. And if you think that can't be done, just go ahead and look at the big guys with the laser screeds. They're doing it with way less labor than you're doing it, and way faster, and they're pouring just an ungodly amount of concrete. So it's out there. I think that if you're the boss, you need to be doing a little more research to see how can I help my employees? How can I save it, make it a little bit easier on them to get this work done? And just be mindful of that. I think that's our main goal, is we just know what it does over time.
And thanks for the comments. Say whatever comments on your mind. Just don't give us the BS ones. I like the honesty ones. So say it how it is.
Yeah.
That's exactly how I take everything. I got way more respect for people that are honest, say it how it is, than people that just beat around the bush.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're straightforward dudes, and that's how we are. So now I don't get offended at anything. You can call me bitch tit motherfucker. Ain't gonna offend me.
Right.
I'm gonna sleep just fine tonight.
But we try to answer. I mean, it's all three of us. We're trying to answer as many questions and comments as possible, even the ones that call us names that we're stupid and we're idiots. We try to find out why you think that way. If you're just throwing comments out because you're a troll, fine. Say I'm a troll, and that's fine with us. But if you really think that we're idiots, let's debate this. We're not afraid to back up what we're saying, because we feel like we've been in the industry a long time, and we're not saying we're the best, but there is a lot of knowledge here, a lot of experience here, and we come from a long line of construction guys, so it's in our blood. And when we see stuff that we think that just seems like that's wrong, or that's too much work, or that that kind of triggers us, because we've been there. Our grandpa was a dinosaur, and we worked under him, and everything he did was old school. I had to go out and learn new ways because we hated it. That's the way it was. So if you're the dinosaur, I guarantee those guys working for you, they're watching, and those are the guys that are going to take you over. Yeah. They're going to say, I'm going on my own. I'm going to do it this way, and I'm going to take all your jobs. I'm going to take all your work, because I'm going to be able to do it faster. Everybody's going to want to work for me because it's easier. Don't be the dinosaur. You guys got to pay attention, be up on stuff. And if you think, you know what, I'm almost done, continue on. But the next generation isn't going to.
Yeah.
They just won't. And that could be your son. That could be your, if it is your son, and he's the one watching this, get up there and kick that dinosaur in the ass and say, we gotta get up on technology. This is craziness.
Well, like they were saying, we read the comments, so leave more comments, ask us questions, share stuff with us. We've had people share videos, pictures, just different ways and techniques. That's really what this is how can we discuss the concrete industry without making it a war, but also keep moving it forward, because that's the only way you're going to move forward, is to keep discussing, sharing ideas, and learning from each other. So. And
it's fun when you guys send us videos of what you're doing. Somebody sent us some videos of, we asked them why, because they use a laser screed on their inside concrete, but they hand screed everything on the outside. And he showed us some videos why, and I could see there was a lot of slopes and drains, but there's a lot of ways that you can use machines to screed that, where you're not screeding, huge pads. Even with slopes, you can still screed that with machines. So there's lots of ways to do it. But we really appreciate all of the feedback, the videos, we've had voicemails. So feel free to contact us, let us know. tell us to piss off. We're fine with it. So
Yeah.